Welcome to Ibiza. Today we are going to explore food, culture and lifestyle. This is the house behind me, the interior inside, and this is the barbecue and the kitchen outside. The place is incredible. There is this beautiful pool, you can chill and have a nice time, and the kitchen where you can cook a nice meals and enjoy with your family. The place is very unique. There is farming with horses. You can get farming courses. Chilling in the sofa here in the pool. What a nice day. Good energy, good aura. So, hasta la vista.